In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise from your audio in VN Video Editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a clip that has hiss, hum, or fan noise and make it sound cleaner and more professional, all using tools built right into VN. Go ahead and open your project in VN and tap the clip that contains the audio you want to fix. If your sound is on a separate track, select that audio track instead. When the clip is selected, look for the audio settings along the bottom toolbar. You should see options like volume, fade, and an audio panel with noise reduction or denoise controls. Open that panel. Turn on noise reduction and start with a moderate amount. A gentle setting is usually better than going all the way up. Press play and listen as you adjust the strength. The goal is to lower the constant background sound without making your voice sound thin or watery. If you hear warbling or a hollow tin can effect, back off the intensity until your voice sounds natural again. If your background noise is more of a low rumble or air conditioner hum, check whether there's a low cut or high pass option, or open the equalizer. Choosing a voice-focused preset or slightly reducing the lowest frequencies can clean up that rumble without touching the clarity of your speech. Make small moves, listen, and compare before and after as you go. Next, even out your levels. After noise reduction, voices can seem a bit quieter or duller. Use the volume control to bring your voice back to a comfortable level, making sure it doesn't clip or distort. Add a short fade in at the start and a fade out at the end of the clip to hide any residual noise tails between edits and to make transitions feel smooth. If one section of your recording is noisier than another, split the clip around that section and apply slightly different noise reduction amounts to each part. This helps you fix problem spots without overprocessing cleaner segments. Before you export, listen on headphones. Headphones reveal subtle artifacts you might miss on speakers. Toggle noise reduction off and on to confirm you're improving the sound, and fine-tune any EQ or fade settings if needed. That's it. With a careful touch on noise reduction, a simple EQ adjustment for low rumbles, and clean fades, you can dramatically improve your audio in VN Video Editor and keep your voice sounding natural and clear.